Hello guys, I'm Paul from Groove Audio. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. And today we're gonna unbox a small box, all right? So it's white in color, and the brand that's on the label here is SPL, all right? So this is Sound Performance Labs from Germany, all right? So it's a DAC, so I'm just gonna cut it open and show it to you. So it's quite a compact box. Later on, we will bring the camera forward. But before we go into the product, I just want to let you know today we changed a bit of lighting for the video. So we got some help and advice from a local company here in Melbourne. They are called Videocraft. They're based in Boat. So if you need any equipment or any advice in relation to YouTube production, video production, or any concert or what have you that requires sound and light, you can reach out to them. They're very helpful. So I've actually replaced the light. Hopefully you can see me clearer and see the product better. All right, so we'll pause the video. We'll bring the camera. Right, guys, I brought the camera forward thanks to the cameraman. So I've cut open the box. So they come with a foam and manual. Not sure if you can see this clearly. Yeah, so this is the manual. Yeah, so let me see what's in there. Hopefully it's not German. This product is from Germany. Yeah, there's English there, pictures, very big phone. All right. Oh, this is actually black in color. I was expecting a red. There you go. Right, so I've unboxed it. This is black in color, and it comes with a kettle cord or IEC cable that is for Australia, which is fantastic. We'll take a close-up look to this device. Right, so basically this is a Diamond DAC, digital to audio converter. And you can see here, if you can see my pointer, SPL Volt Air technology. There's a fine print that says 120 volt DC audio rail. So that's a bit unusual, but I believe that is proprietary to the brand itself from SPL. Okay, so we'll probably go from the left to the right. That's the volume knob. It has a very nice feel to it. I think it's built from aluminum. Okay, then that's the selector. Coaxial 1, 2, and optical 1 and 2. And AES, so plenty of option there for input. And this clock, you can actually select word or source. Right, we'll talk about that later. And obviously that's the screen. You see nothing because there's no power, and that's the power toggle. All right, just gonna turn this around. Right, from the left, you got your IEC power cable go in there, and with a power switch. Yep, and there's a fuse in there. Make sure that you get the one that is suitable for your country. Right, and here there are some settings. All right, we'll talk more detail into that. That's the RCA fixed output. I think it's the gain. I'll look into the manual later. Analog inputs, RCA and XLR. The word in, if you have a external master clock, you can actually plug this in. And this is all the digital input that you can plug in, from USB to coaxial to AES to optical. Very straightforward, guys. I'm gonna plug it in and have a play and let you know what I think. And meantime, if you have any questions, just let me know. All right, the deep switches basically is for the volume bypass. All right, so if you flip the deep switch 1 to off, all right, so basically you are using the RCA analog out. The volume is adjustable. All right, if you turn it on, the level of RCA is fixed. Basically, it's a unity gain. Basically, the volume control is bypassed. So And the other dip switches, the dip switch number 2, if it's off, is for the XLR, so that you can adjust the volume through the XLR. But when it's on, the level of the XLR output is fixed, it's unity gain. So basically it's bypass gain. Alright, so basically you're using this purely as a DAC, not as a preamp, not as a volume control. Alright, I hope that is clear, but if you have any questions, just let me know. I will try to help you out. If not, I can ask SPL the question. Alright guys, that's my unboxing video, so thank you for watching. Again, SPL Diamond DAC. So if you want to have a listen to one of these, and if you're in Melbourne, just give me a call. I'll set this up and let you have a listen. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm Paul from Groove Audio.